Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. As promised, I wanted to do another video on the Constance bag. This is the Constance Mini 18. Just in case you are considering getting this bag as to what fits inside, how it really functions as a bag. Now, this bag can hold all your daily essentials. Well, I'll show you what my daily essentials are, and then you can edit it. It's like a bag that you can wear from day to night. I just think it's so practical, so versatile, and it's a very structured bag as well. Now, the Constance was introduced in 1967, so this is one of the iconic classic bags from Hermès. The Constance, named after the daughter of its creator. This bag has a very timeless design, and I love the iconic H closure, which just opens like this from the middle, and then it just flips up. Some other details about this bag. Now, this is in the color Vert, Bosphore, and it is the fall winter collection, and the leather is in Evercolor as well. This is my first Hermès bag with the Evercolor leather, and I just love the gold hardware on it. Now, in order to show you guys better what fits inside, I'm gonna change the position of the camera and then come in close and show you what my daily essentials are, how I pack it, and what fits inside. So let's get to it then. This is just a brief overview of what can actually fit in the bag. I mean, you could put one or two more items in it, but I don't like the idea of overstuffing this bag. So guys, I decided to position the camera like this so that you have a better overview of what it is that I'm showing to you. So I have the bag open, and I'll start with my phone because my phone is the most important. So this I'm going to put in the back section. As you can see, the bag has two sections and two pockets, one here and one on this side. So that's where I have my phone. Now, this is my card holder, and I'm gonna put it in the front section right here. And then I have my compact mirror, and I put it on the compartment number 2. And then a lipstick. You can also fit a lipstick inside there. Then house keys, because I need to get back into the house. So I'm gonna put it in the back section as well, because the back is a little bit wider of a space than this front section right here. And then I'll just position the lipstick a little bit differently, like over here. So car keys as well, I'm just gonna put it right to the front. You can also fit a hand sanitizer also inside the bag. And I'm taking just a few tissues with me. You don't need to pack a full pack of tissues because it would just make the bag more bulky. So I just put it right there. And then the bag is closed. And you can see that there's not a lot of stress or pressure on the bag. You can definitely fit a little bit more in there, but these are what I would need, you know, like lipstick to reapply, house keys, car keys, tissue, hand sanitizer, compact mirror. And this bag is just a perfect bag for evening out, or if you're going to like a brunch, this bag is just incredible. I would love to get the 24, but I'm very specific about the size. I'm not really sure that I'll get that bag this year, maybe some other time. But for now, I'm going to enjoy the 18s because they are absolutely my favorite at the moment. So yeah, I'll just open the bag again and just show you how everything looks and sits inside. And I think that's a pretty good amount of stuff. And if you do like a little puzzle work, you can fit something here still. You see that there's still tons of space here. And you can even do a little puzzle work. And you know, when I say puzzle work, I mean you have to pack it just like a little jigsaw puzzle. But there's still a lot of space here on the side and here, so I could definitely fit a couple more items in it. But I don't really like to see my bags being overstuffed with things, so you know, that's a personal choice. But anyway guys, that's what fits inside and how I pack the Constance Mini 18, the incredible, stunning, iconic bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do love sharing. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love you guys so much for watching, and stay safe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.